maximum and minimum function. The, we don't have min if and max if, but we have max ifs and min ifs. Now I will solve these 10 questions. First, I will what is the maximum performance score of employees in the IT department? So max ifs, maximum range. So maximum performance score I have to select. Then criteria range one department, IT 95. Yeah, it's 95. Second 92, then 90. Then what is the minimum bonus among employees located in the Mumbai? So mean if then I will select bonus, then location and Mumbai. Now let's try to analyze the answer before executing. So for the Mumbai location, minimum bonus is this is 5,000, this is 4,800, 60 to 6,200, 7,000. So the minimum is 4,800. Yeah, it's 4,800. Then find the maximum performance score for employees in the department which is located in Delhi. So maximum range, then department which is finance, then criteria range to location Delhi. I think only we have only this row, so 6,900. Yeah, so 6,900 is bonus. Performance credit 88. Now maximum minimum performance score in HR department where the bonus is more than 4,900. So maximum is